Hello everyone, and welcome to another Wonders of Windows. So today is the first day in September 2024, and according to the stats, I have 20 subscribers and 482 total views, which is great. By the way, I thank you guys for that. I'm always thanking you guys because you guys might not even know how much that means to me, but telling you it means a whole lot. So let's get out to business. um Whenever you want to look for something very specific but you don't know where to go to, or you don't even think it might be in settings, well, but there's a place it might be, and it's the it needs a feature on your Windows computer that's not really talked about, which is called God Mode. I prefer to call it Windows God Mode. This is a program that lets you see all the settings and features on your computer. I mean, all of them. So to activate it, you're going to need to go to you can go to the internet, yes, or you can come here, and then right over here there's this, I think, kind of address that you need to copy and paste, but I'll be showing you how to activate it. So first of all, you can see it's right over here. Yes, all you have to do is Control A and Control C. Okay, so if I minimize this, and then you right click on your desktop and go to new right here, then click folder. Now all you have to do is rename it. I'm just going to delete that. I press Ctrl V and I'm going to press enter. You can see that it has changed like a Windows taskbar, and it says see a list of all program tasks. So if I open it, if I open it, you can see it right here. It says Windows desktop slash God, and you can see lots of settings, almost 100 of settings here that you might not even find in Windows settings, but they are all here. In the internet options, keyboard, mouse, network and sharing centers, power options as well. Lots and lots of you can do almost anything. So I just thought I'll show you guys this, and I'll be showing you guys what you didn't know about your computer, or what you did not really think your computer could do until, well, now. And you can see that there's user accounts, Windows Defender, Firewall. These are not things you can really just find, and they are in one place. So if you wanted to check something and check another thing, you can just come here. So let's just go to one setting. Okay, if you see this change how the mouse pointer looks, how the mouse pointer looks when it's moving. Everything is here. Mouse wheel settings, it's all here. Cursor blink rate, keyboard status. It's really crazy, and it's not really something that you can just find, or there's a quick hotkey. Wow. Okay, so let's just do something really interesting. Let's see processor speed. Okay, it opens the settings app, and I don't get that, or something. It's really cool. Okay, and I think when it went processor speed, it was just showing us the gigahertz. Okay, I think I understand. It's really cool. There's something like this. It's here, where you can just find all your Windows features in just one place. Yeah, it's really amazing. It's really amazing. I was honestly really surprised when I first found out about this. You can see the name of this computer. It's all here. Like literally, even you wanted to troubleshoot, it's all here. It's mind blowing. 208 items. Wow, wow. I'm honestly impressed. I'm honestly impressed. And oh yeah, if you're finding this video helpful and you want to watch more wonders of Windows in this series, and you really like this video, please subscribe for more content like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.